Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Shelly of Letters by Shells, and today we are going to be doing another unboxing of Tombow's VIP Club Box. So I'm super excited about this one because their February edition is their creativity kit. So when you first open the box, you already see their flyer. So basically just opening this up, it gives you a whole breakdown of what's included inside the kit. And so going into it, I'm excited about this one because it looks like we're doing a watercolor galaxy silhouette. How fun is that? Oh my goodness. So you'll see, I'm gonna open this over here. And it looks like we're doing a watercolor galaxy silhouette of a butterfly. How beautiful is that? And it basically explains what exactly you'll need inside. And if you flip it over, it has a step-by-step breakdown of the butterfly. And let's go ahead and see. So within this creativity kit, you get these 3-4 Tombow dual brush pens along with a mono twin pen. And their water brush you can use to blend the colors and everything. And a Tombow Fudomsuki, and also their glue pen. And lastly, you do have your, oh my goodness, how fun is that? A Galaxy Dragonfly sticker. That's what's included in this kit for this month. Be sure to check out the caption where it has the direct link to Tombow's website, and you can read more about the club box. Thank you so much for doing this unboxing with me. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!